हाय फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग मैथमेटिक्स शो में। हम बदलते हैं आपकी सोच, हम बदलते हैं आपका नज़रिया, हम निकालते हैं डर आपके मैथमेटिक्स का। मैथमेटिक्स इज़ नॉट अबाउट नंबर्स, इक्वेशंस, कॉम्पिटिशंस और algorithms. It is about अंडरस्टैंडिंग। हमारे नए नए वीडियो के लिए सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकॉन पे क्लिक करना मत भूलिए। Now in this question we have to construct a tangent to a circle with center O and radius equal to 4 cm at any point on the circle, and this we have to construct without using a center. It is very important. Now you see here construction. For that your requirements is your scale, rounder, pencil, rubber, all these are the very essential. So at first we will try to draw a rough figure. From a rough figure we get a complete idea about a constructed figure. So for that rough figure is a very essential. So for that we are taking any radius and we are drawing here a circle. We are drawing here any circle because it is a rough figure. In that the rough figure there is no so much importance to that the measurement. Now this is the center O which has no meaning here, and this is the point M. Through the point M we have to draw a tangent. Before that you take here 2 points, that is L and the M. After that you join these and for that what we will do, we will draw the arc here. In that the same way we will also draw the arc here. By taking this distance you have to again mark here, so it will be your tangent. This is the rough figure, so this is your a tangent drawn to a circle without using a center. Now you see here the constructed figure. So for that we have given 4 centimeter radius. We have given here 4 centimeter radius. So for that you take a radius equal to 4 centimeter in a rounder. This is called as the rounder or a compass also. You take a 4 centimeter distance. 4 centimeter distance we have taken, and we are drawing here it should be the very clean. Your page, it should be clean. Now draw here 4 centimeter radius. Draw a circle with a radius of the 4 centimeter. After that you was given a instruction to mark a point M. This is your point M. Now 2 points you have to take on a circle with the exception of this point. You take any 2 points. We are giving the name L and the M. You join it. Now after that there is a working of a rounder now. So for that what we will do, we will take any certain distance in a rounder. Rounder that plays a very important role. We are drawing a curve in this way. Now you should see this, how to draw this curve without changing it. I am not changing here. You draw another arc by keeping a needle point on a point M. How you are doing in this way? What we have done? We have taken a certain distance, we have drawn one arc. Without changing it, we have drawn another arc through a point M on which we have to draw a tangent. Now after that, what is our next step? You take this distance. You take a distance equal to this. Now after that you again mark a point here, and this is the point of intersection. Now see here, this point and this point, you draw a tangent. This is our required tangent. This we have drawn without using a center. That is the very important. This type of the question is generally asked in an examination. Generally it is asked for 3 marks. For that, pencil, it should be the very sharp. Pencil, rubber, scale, that are the main requirement of this construction. Various types of the question that can be asked depending on this type of a topic. In a mathematical show, in a geometrical construction, we are seeing one type of a topic now. To draw a tangent to a circle by using a center. By using a center, you have to draw a tangent. So, see here a question. Now a question: construct a tangent to a circle with a center O and a radius equal to 4.1 centimeter. Now you see here, in that we have to draw a circle. At first you have to draw a circle. Now you see here, you draw a rough figure at first. In that rough figure, draw any circle. We are drawing here any circle now. Now see this. This is the center O, and we know a property of a tangent. What is the property of a tangent? Tangent always makes a 90-degree angle with a radius. So this is a radius, and it always makes a 90-degree angle. So this is our tangent. This is the 90-degree. Now you start our construction. For that we require a rounder. In a rounder you take a distance equal to 4.1 centimeter. Now you see the scale, and you must know how to take a distance. This is the needle, and you keep this needle on a point, this point, that is the 0 and 4.1. You count this. This is the 4.1. Now draw this circle. This is the point O. Now draw a radius here, because radius equal to 4.1 centimeter. This is the point M. So while drawing a tangent, you extend this radius. Now this is the radius. You make a extension to this radius. We are extending this radius now. See this. Now after that, with the help of a rounder, you take any distance and mark here in this way. See here how I am marking. Here also this way. Now this will become our segment, and you know very well that how to draw a perpendicular bisector, because how to draw a perpendicular bisector, this technique is very necessary. Those who don't know how to draw perpendicular bisector, you can see our previous videos. In that, in the section of the basic of maths, we have given these videos. So this is the segment. You take a distance more than half, this is or less than the full. This is full, more than half, we are doing this. Now with this you give arc in this way and in this way, from lower and the upper side. Now you see this, we have given this arc and this arc without changing it. You are not changing any distance. You give a arc in this way also and in this way also. So this is the point of intersection of these two arcs, and you join it. This is the point of intersection. This is our required tangent. For more and more videos, subscribe our channel so that you will enjoy the various types of the educational videos, and share it for a betterment of your friends and also your study. And you comment it whether you like it or unlike it, because your comments that are our inspiration. So don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and in this way you can solve various types of questions.